Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a reseller store on idunlocker.com. So this is the single demo on idunlocker.com website. This is like same idunlocker.com. Today I'm gonna show you how to make one reseller store on idunlocker.com. Same your website name, same your own domain name. So first of all, you need to an account there, idunlocker.com. You need to register this website. So and after registered, how to do everything today I'm gonna show you. So you need to should be first one account. So I make my demo account. So guys, after login your account, there is no have any option. So then you need to ask admin for authorized your account to partner website. So should we need ask to admin, have live chat or WhatsApp number or Telegram. Just you ask to admin for authorized to reseller partner website. So guys, so when admin authorized your account to the partner website, so then you can see this button, this reseller button, and reseller button click, then my website click, then type your domain name. Just I type shopbh.us. This is my domain, just testing domain. So I type here, you can type your keyword, then store title, company name, email address, Facebook. So there is company name, test. So there I have 3 template, you can choose anyone, then save, and then done. Successful website will be ready now. You can check this website now, copy, then check this website will be done. So there guys, see this website now open, and this website you need to should be our all service, our IME and server service. So you can see our all service there. This is the partner website, this is the name reseller store. So you can't add new service, or you can't add you can't cancel any service. So this website can use your client. Your client can be registration here, no problem. Your client can be add a PayPal payment method or Coinbase automatic payment method. So offline payment method also have. So see, there is I make one offline payment method. So this is the number and contract admin. So can save. Then this is the payment method will be done. Then you can add Twitter, Google Analysis, everything have here. So too many options for control this website. So see, this is the email setting. You can change your email setting. system from email. This one you can change this name, system mail. So this is the sign to the mail. Okay, you can type your company name, no problem. This is a email template. You can change the name, no problem. You can make as you wish, anything, no problem. But you need to should be use our service. You can't delete any service, you can't add any service. Our service, our prices, you can change the price only. So this is the CMS setting. You get index content. This is index content. What do you mean? This is, you can type your number or your details. So example, I copy my index content from my website. So there, ideallocker.com. I open my website and copy my content. So you can see, guys, I paste here. This is the index content. So then you can add index banner. So this is the index content, see, like that coming. So you can add index banner also, as you wish, any banner, any quantity, no problem. So I choose one banner. This is the cricket one banner. This is title banner. This is header based title. You can type your company name, no problem. Just save. So guys, you can see now this banner is added. Okay, you can add another banner. Add banner, choice banner. You need to change this title name because same title name not saved this one. So this is a wrong banner coming. I change title name, then will be work this one. So I select another banner and I change this title name. Okay, I title now last one E. So this, you can see this, now save it. So two banner, now save it here. So guys, see this one. So CMS setting, finish. Then we go now. This is the service. We go now, set pricing. So set pricing, this is the very important. So guys, see our all service come here. So this is the price, your costing price. Example, your cost 171.8. You need to profit fixed 3. Your profit will be coming 174. See guys, if you want percentage, okay. If you want fixed price, okay. You can see a percentage one 5% coming 192. Then 11 price will be changed. You see 174 coming. This is your website. This is your cost price and this is your selling price. And also you can set server service. So I see or same this one, IME service, server service. You can set price. This is costing price too. You can set profit price. So you can add new user. This is example, I add one user. So you can add credit user. If you want to add a credit any user, you need to balance your account. If you have zero balance, you can't add any credit your user. So should we need your sale credit, also your balance credit. So now you can see zero balance. That's why you can't add any user or any balance. So I will request to admin for the add some balance this account, then after I can show the demo how to use this. So I added some money, so you can see I can try. So 20 credit, then I save, then you have to need sale credit. So should be main balance, also should be need sale credit. So when you deposit the credit, you need to should be ask to admin also you need to sell credit. So this is, so you can see your main balance and your sale credit now 1000, main balance also 1000. So you can sell now credit, no problem, because you have sell credit. If you don't have sell credit, you cannot sell any credit. So guys, now I'm again make one account, $20, then save. So guys, you can see this is save it, your new user. So this is the your website demo. So this is your user, you can active, inactive. So I make 2 user manually. So I check one user now. So you can see I now open this user main store website.